Ebe n'ebindi Purezidenti Museveni yabigambira ha mukoro gwo kusima okw'ekitongole kya URA ahabwo kumara emyaka 30 mu buhereza aha rukororo Independent Grounds omuri Kampala.
But with COVID-19 we are more at home, thus we are working harder to develop our economy. So I bless everyone who is investing in this country. I bless your efforts. I bless every exporter and importer. I bless every farmer.
Purezidenti Museveni mu kugamba kwe yatakisa abakuru mu kitongole kya URA aha miringo eyibari kushoroza mu emishoro.
But I remember, I have the figures in my head. As soon as we created the URA, I think that's when we jumped to 11%. And from that time up to now, you are stuck there. 11, 12. Where is the other money going?
We jumped to 11%, 11.33 in the year 2013, 2014. That's when we got to 11.3%. And we moved up.
But I think it was earlier, because I remember there was a remarkable, when did we, from 4.
Purezidenti Museveni obwari kugendera hadini yagira ngo ekitongole kya URA kijwire mu bayuda abaletire emishoro yagumane burabura nobwo ebintu ebirikurugamu emishoro birikweyongera buri izobo mu ihanga.
Because the buildings are more, the imports are more. So you can imagine, from 97 up to now, your collection is actually stuck at 10, 11, 12, 13 point. What? Do you think God will be happy with you?
Purezidenti Museveni nagira ngo ihanga ryaza kwemarira ombyembarira yaryo hatarumwe kweguza sente ezirikuruga mu mahanga gaheru ekitongole kya URA kino kureba ngo cyarugwa mu bayuda.
So therefore, eradicate the Judases. There are some Josephs, that's why the improvement, you know, we came from 4% to now this 11.
Gwahikwaho abantu batari bamwe na bamwe abakuru mu government nka minister w'ebyobwegese n'emizano Mama Janet Kataha Museveni, owa finance Matia Kasaija, abanyadini ababa barumo Bishop wa Ankole Diocese Right Reverend Dr. Fred Sheldon Mwesugwa, hamwe no wa South Ankole Right Reverend Bishop Nathan Ahimbisubwe na nabandi nka mukuru wa Vision Group Don Wanyama.
After 10 years, when we started in 1991, we collected 180 billion. But after 10 years, in 2001, we collected $1 trillion.
Hoihireho mukoro gwa harengo rw'ihanga aba URA mbarara nabo bajaguza obwe barukushara keke.
1-0. Abantu bakaba batakumanya icyo yagenda bashashura umushoro konkera izuba abantu bacitegereza je umuntu ashashura umushoro gwe namanyango nukuza kore ngutu nukuza kora amarwaro nukuza kora amashomero
kanye ko mushubuzi ingira ngo this time around bongera kushomesa abashubuzi kugira amanye services zabo bashaka bashora umushoro kuba cyo cyari empango munongo mutiyara ya importing ebintu usanga umwe batakumanya ekintu nanka necha sente zingahi
bakatukinga umwaka gwahwire bagarika batukinga mu na munonga bizimbe na munonga za kedi za na za moro babikinga konka abayo tumwakimanya ngo bakatukinga mwagumona burango bwanyu buzaho n'imishoro n'umutwihuza na messages zigenda umanya ngo kizimbe kingiro kibori yo muroko down yikingirino wawe ora message ya URA
Ahabwa TV West ndi Elias Rutugusa na Martin Byamukama.